Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now after the cart widget, the next new e-commerce widget that we are going to talk about in this video is the My Account widget. Now here is the thing. Again, I have created two pages. One is the Elementor Pro 3.5 page, which is right over here. This is the blank page that we are going to edit just like the cart page. Okay, this is where I'm going to add the widget. You can see this is the blank page and this is the default page generated by WooCommerce plugin. You can see it has all the information that you need. It provides you with all of these sections, but the design or the styling is missing. So what I am going to do right now is I am going to edit this page and then I'm going to edit it with Elementor and add the My Accounts widget to it. Let me just edit it. Now you will find the My Accounts widget in the WooCommerce section of the Elementor side panel right here. My Account, you drop it. Now as soon as you drop it, you see that this provides you all the information that is available right over here, but there is a sense of styling in this one. Okay, this one is much more refined than this one. So let me just go back and disable the head hide title over here. Okay, so this is what you get. This is the initial first look at the My Accounts widget that you have. The information or this section is generated according automatically. You can add information, you can add information around it according to you. Okay, now coming to the settings of the My Account widget. The first one is the layout. You see vertical right over here and horizontal. Let's just click horizontal. Now when you click horizontal, all of the tabs will move on the top. The next option that you will see is the spacing. So basically before spacing, vertical is by default and horizontal is something that you can select. It depends on what kind of a design is that you are looking for. Okay, now coming to the spacing section, what it does is it basically adds the spacing between the content and the tabs. Okay, after that, the next is the tabs position. Do you want your tabs to be on the start like this? Do you want to be in the middle? Do you want to be towards the end? Do you want it to be, spaced out? Okay, so this is the option that this is what it allows you to do. It basically lets you set the position of these tabs. Now after this, you see all of these tabs. When you click them, it allows you to change the names of these tabs. You can change them, you can add dynamic tags to it. It's up to you. Whatever is that you want to do, whatever is the concept that you are following, you can do it right over here. Every option allows you to basically use dynamic tabs or change the names. You can see downloads, change the downloads tab name, address same, account details exactly the same, logout same. Okay, after this you get the option which is alignment. Now this is the text alignment option. You can center it, you can put it towards the end, or you can put it towards the beginning. It's up to you, whatever option is that you want to select. Now coming to the styling part of the My Account widget in Elementor Pro 3.5. Now you can see it gives you the option to basically change the typography, background type, box shadow, color of these tabs. Then you can add border, you can add width to it, the colors, the border radius, padding and spacing. It's up to you what kind of a design is that you are going for. You can customize it according to your requirements. So basically what Elementor is doing here is it is giving you the option to style every section of the page or every component of the page. It's up to you what you want to do. Okay, now you can see right over here the sections is right over here. You can change the background color of the section, you can add box shadow, border type, width, all of the same settings. Then typography you can change from right over here. For checkboxes, login messages, general text, section headings, section titles, these ones. So it's up to you. Elementor gives you the option to do everything in this widget as well. Okay, so for forms you can choose the column gap, row gap, labels. You can change the color of the labels, typography, spacing, field, whatever is that you want to change. Basically you can create a custom My Account page for your online store using this widget. Okay, this will no longer be this boring page that is generated by WooCommerce. It will be something like this, or even better than this. This is just the basics of things. I'm not going into the details of styling, but this is what you get when you just add it. It is very simple, but much better than what My Account widget what the My Account page is generated by WooCommerce. Now again, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to update it, and it will give me again the option, but I'm not going to do that right now because that is one of the topics that we are going to discuss a bit later in this video. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.